Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So Inside Cosmetics is really stepping out from their lipstick zone and they are coming up with their innovative launches which I never thought they would do. I was so done with their lipsticks, but recently when I tried their lip oil, I really love the formulation and I was hoping that they come up with more new launches which are really good and they want to dupe something which are really high end. So today I'm going to review one such product and I hope you guys might be interested to watch this review. Today is kind of first impression because when I received this product I actually swatched it on the back of my hand, even tried it on my face, but I did not keep it for longer and I just tried it because I wanted to see what kind of formulation, what exactly it is going to offer me. So yes, today's review is all about that. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. So put your hands on to welcome new launch by Inside Cosmetics and they have come up with their Radiance Filter. I was going through Nykaa app and suddenly I saw that Inside Cosmetics came up with this. I was too excited and placed my order then and there. So it comes in 6 shades and you get 11 grams of product for the price of rupees 280 each. I think it's a decent amount of product that you get for the price that you are paying because this is an affordable brand and yes, they are trying their best to match with other drugstore brand available in the market and you get 3 years of shelf life. So it comes in this kind of flashy rose gold packaging. You can see it's mentioned Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter and here you will find that it is infused with squalene and vitamin E, gives you a glowy tint. Also it is paraben free. The rest of the details you'll find it on the packaging itself and the shade name you will find it on top of the outer packaging. I chose the last shade which is supposed to be the shade Espresso and let's see how actually it looks on my brown skin. By the way, I'm NC42 in MAC, so let's see whether it is going to suit me or it is going to be a big fail. And if you already know that Inside Cosmetics is completely a dermatologically tested brand, it is toxic free, cruelty free, paraben free, 100% vegan, and also it is a PETA certified brand. So yes, this was all about the outer packaging. Now let's have a look at the inner one. So the inner packaging looks something like this. It comes in a cylindrical, sleek plastic acrylic bottle which has a good weight to it and by no means anyone can say that this is a cheap makeup brand or inexpensive makeup brand. You will find the shade a name on the bottom of the inner packaging and it comes with a good doe foot applicator like this which holds a decent amount of product. So yes, let's get started with today's video. I've already prepped my skin but not primed my skin. So I'm going to use the Milani SPF PBF primer with SPF of 30 and I have spoken about this primer a lot. It is exclusively available on Hawk Makeup. Currently it is on good discount. You can get this at rupees 615 which is a steal deal, you guys. So I opened my Nykaa app to read out the claims for you guys and let me tell you that I got this product specially from Nykaa because currently it is available in Nykaa itself. I did check their official website but I couldn't find anything in their new arrivals section. So here you go. So it says that it is infused with skin loving ingredients, squalene and vitamin E infused, adds lit from within glow, gives an even radiant finish, multi-purpose lightweight waterproof formula, gives you a glowy tint. So this is made in India and the expiry date is 15 July 2027 which I've already mentioned that you get 3 years of shelf life. Okay, so now the primer has nicely settled into my skin. Now it's the time to use this Radiance Filter on my skin. So I think today is the right time to try this out because my skin is extra dry. There are some dry patches here and there. Let's see whether it gets clinged onto that, whether it exaggerates my texture or not. So I think today is the best time to try out this product. Let's get started. So let me just give you the swatch before I apply it to my skin. This is how the shade Espresso actually looks on my skin tone. So if you're close enough to my skin tone, I think this shade is going to look perfect on you. And I'm not going to use it all by itself. Definitely I'll use it under my foundation. Let me just feel the texture. It feels a bit on the thicker side but blends easily into the skin. And just look at it, how nice and even toned my skin looks. And look at that radiance, you guys. Nowhere I can see any shimmer particles shining. It gives a beautiful pearl reflecting effect, which I totally like. It feels bit tacky, so I think I'll allow it to set on my skin for some time. And also we can do that waterproof test as they have already claimed. So let's apply it to my face. I think I'll go with just 3 to 4 strokes. And I'm going to use my finger to blend the right side of my face. So this side with no radiance filter, this side with radiance filter. Let me just zoom you guys in. I think this side looks much brighter and it gave me a very even tone skin. I cannot see any kind of streakiness or patchiness. Also, it has not clinged onto my dry patches, which is a great thing. Though it feels little bit on the thicker side, but the formulation is more like a creamy, so it blends easily. Taking the same amount on the left hand side of my face, and to blend it out I'll use my foundation brush. Though it does not have tons of coverage, but it made my skin look even toned. And yeah, it's not even exaggerating or enhancing any of my texture. I have got some dry patches around my nose and around my mouth area, but it's not clinging onto that, thank God. And my skin looks really very healthy and very luminous, radiant. I really like this kind of skin, trust me you guys. So today for my base makeup, I'm going to use my Smashbox Halo Healthy All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. I'm mixing 2 shades medium and tan to bring to my skin tone. And if you guys are interested to watch an in-depth review with the shade details and everything, you can head on to my channel. Also, I'll try and mention it here on the card section. Okay, so I just went with 1 layer of the skin tint and still this much amount is left on the palette. Let me just grab my mirror to see it from close, how my skin actually looks with this radiance filter and skin tint on the top. And I can see that my pore on this area has nicely blurred out. Even the tip of my nose looks a lot blurred out, and also it doesn't feel heavy or cakey. And when I see it very closely, it's not settled any of my fine lines. Also, it's not clinging to any of my dry patches. It's not clinging to any of my texture wherever I have got. Though it contains fragrance, but it is not too overpowering. It just goes off within few minutes. I cannot sniff the fragrance anymore. And yes, my skin looks absolutely radiant and luminous. You guys just look at it, how beautiful it looks. It gives me a very healthy skin glow vibe, which I'm absolutely loving it. So let me complete the rest of my face makeup and I shall be right back to give you my final thoughts. So guys, I'm back after full face of makeup. This is how my skin looks with Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. Honestly speaking, I'm really loving the feel of this Radiance Filter because it feels absolutely lightweight, non-greasy, non-sticky, and I have not experienced any patchiness or streakiness. While I was blending it out with the brush, I never noticed any kind of streakiness. It just melted into my skin and the shimmer particles are so finely milled that I cannot even see it shining on my face. It has nicely meshed into my skin, which I thoroughly loved it, you guys. And today I did little bit of color correction around my mouth area using my Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade Warm Sand, so that this area doesn't turn ashy once I complete my entire face makeup. And also I did powder my face little bit under my eyes area to set the under eye area, and whatever was left on the puff I just ran it across my entire face, so that completed my entire makeup, and just look at that healthy boost of radiance it is giving me. I'm totally loving it. Also, I did click some pictures from my back camera under flashlight and in natural light to show you guys how actually my skin looks with this radiant filter. I was really happy when I checked the results, and I am going to post it over here so that you guys can also see for yourself. And because I have a matured skin, I am really picky with these kind of filter, or glow filter, whatever you want to call it, because it should not feel heavy, and it should not exaggerate my texture, my fine lines, whatever I have got on my face. So I even applied the radiance filter on my shoulder and on my décolletage area. Now they did mention that you can use it however you want to. You can use it on the parts of your body where you want to highlight it. Now it's not showing much on the camera, but definitely it's giving me a very pearly light reflecting kind of effect, which I thoroughly love, because it's not overly, it's like, yeah, the glow that you get is just like from within, it's not made up. On my dry skin, this feels absolutely comfortable. However, I'm not sure about how oily skin type is going to feel about this, but I can say I will like it more during winter season, and I think I will not like the texture much when it is summer, when it is really very hot, humid, sweaty. I will try it that time also and review it for you guys how actually it wears off, but I'm going to love it, especially during winters. Now, as promised, I told you that I'm going to do a waterproof test. So you remember that I had swatched the radiance filter on back of my hand and blended it out. So I even used it over here just to show you guys whether it's actually waterproof or not. So we'll allow it few minutes, and let's see whether the water that is dripping is getting cloudy or it's absolutely clear. So let me take my clean tissue. It's absolutely clean, there is nothing. Let me just wipe it. So there is very minimal transfer. Most of the product is still there on the hand and on the back of my hand. So it's kind of water resistant and not completely waterproof. I am even trying out a new blush by Inside Cosmetics, which is coming up very soon in the next video. Please keep an eye on that. So I'm going to speak everything about it later when I come in that video. But talking about this radiance filter, you guys, I am really happy, and I would highly recommend you trying it out for yourself. It is just for rupees 280, and you get sufficient amount of product, and it is budget friendly, you guys. Whoever cannot afford the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter can totally opt for this. I think this is a good substitute for the e.l.f. one. I will be coming up with a comparison video between e.l.f. and the Inside Cosmetics very soon, so you will definitely have to keep an eye on my upcoming videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right away, and this product gets a total thumbs up from my end. Okay guys, so here is an update the next day. Today morning when I woke up, my skin felt so dry. You can see all the dry patches over here. Plus I got few breakouts. So there is one such ingredient that is not suiting my skin type. So yeah, that I wanted to mention. Just look at this patchiness. It's extra dry, you guys. It's very dry. So I thought before applying the moisturizer, I thought just taking this clip and just letting you know that there is one such ingredient that is not going to suit someone with dry or extremely dry skin type. So it is much advised that you have to prep your skin super duper well, like heavily moisturized, before applying this radiance filter. So guys, this wraps my today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.